So hey guys, following the release of the Moto X40 in China late last year, now get ready, Motorola may soon release the device in worldwide market as the Motorola Edge 40 Pro. The device will have cutting-edge features and it is likely to replace the Motorola Edge 30 Pro which was released in March 2022. Meanwhile, a recent report has unveiled some critical details of the Motorola Edge 40 Pro, including its storage configuration, color options and pricing. While Motorola has yet to make an announcement about the Motorola Edge 40 Pro, but we can confirm that the phone will be available in Europe soon. Furthermore, sources have revealed the pricing, storage and color possibilities of the Motorola Edge 40 Pro in European region. In my opinion, the design and especially the display of the Edge 40 Pro and the 165Hz on that 3D curved screen will provide you with a really smooth and enjoyable user experience. Therefore, if Motorola increases its update policy, even if they only offer 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security updates, it will be a strong competitor to other well-known companies. Now, according to the Apple's report, the Motorola Edge 40 Pro is expected to come in a single memory configuration of 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage in Europe. To recall, the Moto X40 that was launched in China is offered in 8GB of RAM and 128GB ROM and a 12GB of RAM with 512GB of storage models alongside the 256GB variant. Furthermore, the leak also reveals that the Motorola Edge 40 Pro will be available in black and blue color shades, just like the Moto X40. The device is anticipated to be priced at €850 in Europe. Not to worry, in the following days we will see the prices of other countries as well, and if that happens, I will make sure to let you all know. However, I believe that the prices in your regions will be somewhat more or less than this. Now just a quick recall of the specs, the Motorola Edge 40 Pro is expected to come with a 6.7 inches Full HD Plus curved AMOLED display with a 165Hz refresh rate, along with DC dimming, HDR and 10-bit color support. Running under the hood could be the 4nm based Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC paired with Adreno GPU for graphics. So what do you think about this Motorola Edge 40 Pro pricing? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.